Welcome to our video exploring the intersection of DeepSeek and Mark Zuckerberg's vision for AI and social media. In this video, we'll dive into how DeepSeek's advanced AI technology could align with Zuckerberg's goals for Meta, formerly Facebook, and the future of social media. Let's explore the possibilities. Part 1. What is DeepSeek? DeepSeek is a cutting-edge AI platform designed to enhance data analysis, natural language processing, and machine learning. Its capabilities include real-time data processing, scalable solutions, and user-friendly tools that make AI accessible to businesses and individuals alike. DeepSeek is transforming industries like healthcare, finance, and e-commerce, but how could it impact social media? Part 2. Mark Zuckerberg's vision for AI. Mark Zuckerberg, the CEO of Meta, has long been a proponent of integrating AI into social media. His vision includes 1. Personalized experiences, using AI to tailor content, ads, and interactions to individual users. 2. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, leveraging AI to create immersive experiences in the metaverse. 3. Content moderation, automating the detection and removal of harmful or inappropriate content. 4. Enhanced communication, developing AI-driven tools like chatbots and voice assistants to improve user engagement. Part 3. How DeepSeek could fit into Meta's ecosystem. DeepSeek's technology aligns closely with Zuckerberg's vision. Here's how it could enhance Meta's platforms. 1. Personalization. DeepSeek's advanced data analysis could help Meta deliver even more personalized content and ads, improving user satisfaction and engagement. 2. Content moderation. DeepSeek's natural language processing capabilities could automate the detection of harmful content, making social media safer for everyone. 3. Metaverse development. DeepSeek's AI tools could power the creation of realistic avatars, immersive environments, and interactive experiences in the metaverse. 4. Customer support. DeepSeek's chatbots could enhance Meta's customer service, providing instant support to users and businesses. Part 4. Potential challenges. While the integration of DeepSeek and Meta's platforms holds great promise, there are challenges to consider. 1. Privacy concerns. Using AI to analyze user data raises questions about privacy and data security. Both companies would need to ensure transparency and compliance with regulations. 2. Ethical AI. Ensuring that AI tools are used ethically and responsibly is crucial. This includes addressing biases in algorithms and preventing misuse. 3. Technical integration. Merging DeepSeek's technology with Meta's existing infrastructure could be complex and require significant resources. Part 5. The future of AI and social media. The collaboration between DeepSeek and Meta could revolutionize social media. Imagine a platform where content is perfectly tailored to your interests. Harmful content is automatically filtered out. Virtual experiences are more immersive and interactive than ever before. This future is not far off, and DeepSeek's technology could play a key role in making it a reality. Conclusion and call to action. The intersection of DeepSeek and Mark Zuckerberg's vision for AI and social media is an exciting space to watch. As AI continues to evolve, its impact on how we connect, share, and interact online will only grow. What do you think about the potential collaboration between DeepSeek and Meta? How do you see AI shaping the future of social media? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into AI and technology. Thanks for watching, and until next time.